Greetings and welcome back. I'm here to continue with the subject strategic management. Today, under the topic strategic control, we're going to study the balanced scorecard as a tool of control. Balanced scorecard as a tool for control. Now, the balanced scorecard is a powerful and widely used tool for strategic control because it moves beyond the traditional financial measures to provide a more holistic view of an organization's performance, and it also aligns with the strategic goals of an organization. So this tool, the Balanced Scorecard, was developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton. As I've said, it's a strategic performance management tool that can help an organization to translate their strategic objectives into a set of performance measures that are organized into 4 key perspectives. In this lesson, we are going to study the 4 key perspectives of the Balanced Scorecard. We also learn how the Balanced Scorecard works as a control tool. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the key perspectives of the Balanced Scorecard and also to explain how the Balanced Scorecard works as a control tool. You understand, candidates? Yes. So let's first of all identify the key perspectives. I've just said the Balanced Scorecard is a strategic performance management tool that helps managers or organizations to translate their objective or to translate their strategic objectives into a set of performance measures that are organized into 4 perspectives. What are these perspectives? There are 4 key perspectives. The first one is a financial perspective. Financial perspective. So there are 4 perspectives: the financial perspective, the customer perspective, internal business processes perspective, and learning and growth perspective. Now, the first one is the financial perspective, which addresses the question: to succeed financially, how should we appear to our shareholders? Right? It includes the traditional financial measures like profitability, like the revenue growth, return on investment, shareholder value, and so on. That is the financial focus. Then there is the customer perspective. Customer perspective. Customer perspective asks the question: to achieve our vision, how should we appear to our customers? That means that it focuses on customer satisfaction, it focuses on customer retention, market share, customer acquisition, and customer profitability. Customer focus, customer perspective. The third perspective under the Balanced Scorecard is internal business processes perspective. Internal business processes. Internal business processes perspective. This perspective answers the question: to satisfy our shareholders and customers, what business processes must we excel at? To satisfy the owners and the customers, right? What should the business focus on? What processes should the business focus on? That is to mean that this perspective identifies the critical internal processes that drive customer and financial outcomes, such as operational efficiency, such as innovation, things like quality, service delivery, and so on. All those are internal business processes. Now, the fourth one is the fourth perspective. The fourth key perspective is learning and growth perspective. Learning and growth. Learning and growth perspective asks the question, to achieve our vision, how will we sustain our ability to change and improve? Because candidates, to maintain in business, to continue operating in business, the business must be adaptable to change, because the business environment is always changing because of many factors. So the business has to position itself in such a way that it can be adaptable to change. It answers the question, to achieve our vision, how will we sustain our ability to change and improve? That is to mean that the perspective focuses on the intangible assets that enable future performance, including employee skills and capabilities, information systems, organizational culture, innovation capacity, and so on. Understand, candidates? So that you can see that is a holistic view. The balanced scorecard, candidates, it gives a holistic view of an organization's performance, and it aligns with the strategic goals. It does not only focus on the financial perspective. No, it goes beyond the financial perspective to address issues to do with the customers. There is the internal business processes, and then there is the aspect of sustainability, learning, innovation, growth, and so on. So these are the key perspectives of the balanced scorecard.